guys, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to sit down and film how to create my wing liner. I know that I've been raving about the Bite Beauty Upswing liquid liner, so I wanted to show you how I use that today. There is an affordable option by Ness. Ness makes a really good liquid eyeliner as well, but since I've been raving about that one, I'm going to be using that in today's video. And then I did this I also filmed how I did this like burnt orangey. It's giving me all the fall vibes, but I really wanted to create something that is kind of like my staple look when I want to play with color, or if I don't want to go in with an intense orange look, I will kind of bring it down with using earthy warm tones. So it's actually really simple, and it's understated how pretty it is to really create something all matte on the eye. So I created this look with these three colors in the palette. You also see me use a little bit of this white shadow in the inner corner. You've heard me talk about how much I like to use a white shade in the inner portion of the eye, because it does really brighten up things when you're trying to make a smoky and dark eye. It can just brighten up things and just make the eye look more awake and open. So for the lips, I use my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Cork. If you guys do enjoy this video, please don't forget to give this video a big like and thumbs up. And also please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. So without further ado, let's get into today's tutorial. Okay guys, so that completes today's look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I wanted to really incorporate staple looks that I love and use often, so I thought I'd share this makeup look with you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Bye.